Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Welcome everyone, hoping that you all are good. So we are moving towards our next language class and hoping that you are ready for that. Okay, as we were learning the tenses and we have done our present and continuous tenses. Today we are going to move towards the perfect tenses. Getting? Okay, for the perfect tenses, we need to know the forms of the verb. As you have learned the simple present tense, in the simple present tense we were using the first form of the verb. Then in the present continuous we were using the first form with the ing. Okay, then we had done our simple past as well. In the simple past we were using the second form of the verb. In past continuous, similarly we were using the first form but with ing with the helping verbs. Now we are having the perfect tenses. For this we need to know about the forms of the verb first. As I have written here, base form of the verb, we call it the first form of the verb. Okay. For example, teach, speak, tell, and we have the rest of them. Past form, definitely second form of the verb, taught, spoke, told. Teach, taught, speak, spoke, tell, told. Then past participle of the main verb. Yes, this is really this is the most important for the today's topic. First form teach, second taught, third is your taught. We are having many verbs that we are having the same second and third form of those all verbs. Okay, multiple verbs we are having like that. Okay, spoke, spoken, told, told. As I told you before this, what is present perfect tense basically? It refers to those all actions which have been completed in the moment of speaking. Okay, which you guys have completed at the moment of speaking. This is basically called your present perfect tense. Getting? What are the helping verbs first? Have and has. If you cannot see clearly, I am just reading them again. Have and has. As we have the different helping verbs of each tense. In the simple present tense, what were the helping verbs? Do and does. In the simple past, we had did. In the present continuous, we were using is and are, and in the past continuous, we were using was were. Now, in the present perfect tense, we have and has. As we have the seven pronouns I, we, you, they, he, she, it. With these seven pronouns, how we are going to use them? I, we, you, they, he, she, and it. Okay. With the I, we are going to use have. With the we, same. You have, they have, he has, she has, it has. Okay, with the I, we are going to use the helping verb have in the present perfect tense, and with the he, she, it, we are going to use has in the present perfect tense. Got it? Now, what is the sentence structure? Affirmative. Subject, the helping verb has and have. Okay, subject has, have plus. Whenever you guys are going to make the sentences of present perfect, so you are supposed to use the third form of the verb. Got it? We call it past participle of the main verb. I am just writing here like this. Okay, it means past participle of the main verb. Then object. Then, so what will be the sentence? For example, I have taken my class. Okay. For example, he has told me everything. Got it? With the I have used here have. With the he, there is has. I have taken my class. He has told me everything. taken and here told. They both are the third forms of the verb. Got it? If you are going to use first and second form, your complete sentence will be wrong. Now, negative subject plus has, have plus not plus third form of the verb, then object. We cannot see clearly here, this I am reading it again. Subject plus has, have plus not plus third form of the verb plus object. Got it? Now negative, I have not taken, and the rest of the sentence will be the same. He has not told me whatsoever is here. Again, now what will be the interrogative? Helping verbs will be the first, have, has, then subject, as we were doing in our previous tenses. Have, has plus subject plus third form of the verb plus object plus question mark. Got it? Now convert them into the interrogative. I have taken my class. I have not taken my class. Have I taken my class? This is really easy. Have I taken my class? Question mark. Got it? Now, has he told me whatsoever is here? So, that was a complete sentence structure which we need to follow during making the sentence of present perfect tense. Okay? Again, I am just repeating. I have taken my class. I have not taken my class. Have I taken my class? Okay, then he has told me everything. He has not told me everything. Has he told me everything? Such kind of sentences. Now, moving towards the book. On the page number 112. Page number 112. Come up. This is your present perfect tense. The present perfect tense usually refers to an action that has been completed at the moment of speaking. Its form is have, has plus the past participle of the main verb, as we were discussing about the third forms of the verbs. Then, example, this one. They have broken down the wall. He has washed the dishes. Positive one, then the negative. Negative is here. The negative is formed with have, has plus not plus the past participle of the main verb. She has not, this one. She has not ironed the clothes. We have not finished the report. They are telling you people about the sentence structure here in the positive one, in the negative one. The same we were discussing on the board. Okay. Then the interrogative. The interrogative is formed by interchanging the positions of the subject and the auxiliaries, means helping verbs. For example, have I shown you my new painting? Has her remark made people angry? The same thing we have discussed here before your book. Okay. Now, as you guys do your working, on the page number 115. Okay. On the page number 115, there is an exercise. Change the tense of the verbs in the following sentences as instructed. 115. You guys are having 8 sentences here. You are supposed to do only 5 from them. Okay, there is one thing new in your exercise. Look at here. Simple present tense, present continuous, simple present tense, present perfect tense and present continuous. What to do in your exercise? Having done the definition with examples and with the data page as well, when you are going to do your exercise 8, how to do this exercise? You are supposed to change the sentences according to the bracket as they have instructed you. For example, I have been listening to the radio every morning. You are supposed to change it into the simple present tense. So how will you change? As you are learning the simple present tense, simple past, present continuous and past continuous in our previous classes, this is very easy to solve. I should write it here. Simple present plus and first form of the verb. Got it? Simple past, did and second form of the verb. Got it? Then present perfect we have done. Present continuous. Is MR and verb with ing. First form of the verb with ing. Similarly, we are going to have past continuous. This is your past. Simple present, simple past, present continuous. Here. Present continuous and past continuous. You have was verb. Same form of the verb we done. Got it? So as you have the sentence, copy 5 sentences, okay? All the 5 sentences. I have been listening to the radio every morning. So what will be the sentence of simple present? Definitely you are going to remove the have been and listening because we are not going to use the ing form in the simple present tense. And we are not going to use have been as well. Okay, so you can solve it. Like I listen to the radio every morning. Answer would be like this. She prays for the well-being of her brother. Present continuous. You know very well what is the form of the verb we will use in the present continuous form and what are the helping verbs as well. Third is your simple present tense. Fourth is your present perfect which we have done today. Okay. Then at last you are having present continuous again. This is really easy. Copy the sentences and rewrite the sentences with the changes. Got it? So that is all with your explanation and working. Do not forget to make your index as well. Inshallah, we will meet in our next class. Till then, take care and Allah.